In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of PowerPoint. If you need to log out of your account in PowerPoint, the process is very quick and simple. This can be useful if you're using a shared computer, switching to a different account, or just making sure your information stays private after you're done working. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can sign out smoothly without any confusion. Start by looking at the top right area of the PowerPoint window. In that section, you should see your profile name or account area. This is the part of PowerPoint where your signed-in account information is displayed. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may show your name, a profile icon, or both. Take a moment to locate that area before moving on, because that's where the Sign Out option is found. Once you find your profile name in the upper right corner, click on it. This will open the account menu connected to your PowerPoint profile. If you don't immediately see the full menu, give it a second to appear. In most cases, this menu includes account-related options such as managing your account, viewing profile details, or signing out. From that menu, click on Sign Out. As soon as you select it, PowerPoint will log you out of the current account. After signing out, some features that depend on being connected to your account may no longer be available until you sign back in. For example, cloud-based access, synced settings, or certain subscription features may require an active login. That's completely normal. If you're on a shared device, signing out is a good habit because it helps protect your files and account access. Also, if you plan to sign in with another account right away, logging out first helps make that switch cleaner and easier. And that's it. To sign out of PowerPoint, just click the profile name in the top right corner, then choose Sign Out. It only takes a few seconds, and it's an important step for privacy and account management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.